So, short-term fuel trim, bank 2, sensor 2, bank 2, sensor 1, minus, so it's moving now instead of being stuck at a full 25%. But I noticed when I come to a complete stop, it still defaults to 25%. I don't know if that's maybe normal. Here, I'll come to a stop here in a second. I've just got some traffic behind me. I have no license plate. Jordan, if you're watching this, I know you'd be so proud of me. Tooling around town, jumping on the freeway, no license plate. Yeah, well, I wait to hear back about being hired by the police department. So everything seems to be at least getting readings at this point, which is good. Here, I can stop here. So, probably not the best spot. But, so then I go see you go straight to 25%. Which, again, I don't know. Short-term fuel trim, bank 1, sensor 2, bank 1, sensor 2. Let's see. I don't know if that's normal or not. Let's see. Well, that's interesting that says that that's my... Is it my engine? Okay, there it goes. Now dropped. So, let's just stare at these short-term fuel trims while I drive and hopefully don't cause an accident. Yeah. So yeah, as soon as I start driving, they change. I think that's normal. Other than that, what I did is I pulled the intake manifold off. I've got that thing down to a science. I can have it off and back on in like 30-40 minutes. Pulled it off. The gasket I had on there was still in great shape, only used the one time. And I put RTV all the way around it, and a little bit on top as well, just assuming, because I feel pretty confident that I did a good job. So I'm like, man, if it's leaking, then maybe the manifold is somehow warped. So I used RTV accordingly, torqued it in the proper sequence, kind of went a little diagonal pattern, front, back, side, front, side, back, yada yada. I couldn't find any actual torque specifications for the upper manifold, like the plenum or whatever. Several people were like, the upper manifold's just tight. So I went as tight as I felt comfortable doing without pulling aluminum threads out, because I have done that in the past and that sucks. But yeah, everything seems to be working better. I'm not sure. Let me know if the 25% thing is normal, guys. Thanks. Sorry for the long video.